Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you noticed how everyone in tech is talking about AI agents right now? But wait, aren't they just fancy chatbots? Not quite. While they might both talk to you in plain English, there is a massive difference in what they can actually do. Today, we are breaking down AI agent versus chatbot in simple terms. First, let's look at chatbots. A chatbot is a digital tool built to talk with users and answer questions based on set rules for prompts. Think of a chatbot like a helpful index card system. You ask a question, and it finds or generates a text answer. But to keep going, it constantly needs you to type the next prompt. Now, what is an AI agent? An AI agent is a smart assistant capable of independently planning, making decisions, and taking multi-step actions to complete a goal. Instead of just answering questions with text, an AI agent solves problems on its own. You don't have to guide it step by step, you just give it a high-level goal, and it figures out how to reach it. The biggest secret to an AI agent's power is tool usage. Basic chatbots are restricted to text generation inside a chat window. But AI agents integrate with external tools and software APIs. They can browse the web, search databases, send emails, and trigger software actions across systems automatically. Let's look at a real-world example in e-commerce customer service. Imagine you want to return a jacket. A traditional chatbot can answer "Where is my order?" by giving you a static tracking link. But an AI agent can automatically verify your account, process the product return, issue a refund through the bank API, and update the warehouse inventory, all without a human needing to click any buttons. You might wonder, what about modern generative AI like ChatGPT? Generative chatbots answer complex questions, which can blur the line. But here is the key nuance: chatbots focus mainly on conversation and text generation, while true AI agents are defined by autonomous action, tool usage, and environment interaction. To wrap it all up, chatbots talk and answer prompts. AI agents plan, use external tools, and execute full workflows autonomously. As technology advances, we are moving from tools that just answer questions to agents that get actual work done. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more simple tech breakdowns. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.